Hi traders, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. Today's video is going to be game changer for a lot of you. Here's the truth. It's not always about finding the perfect strategy. Most of the time, the reason you are not profitable is because you keep making the same 5 mistakes over and over again. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the top 5 trading mistakes that are costing you money, and more importantly, how you can fix them starting right now. And to make this super practical, I'll be doing live trading while I'll explain each mistakes so you can see exactly what I mean in real time. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Watch all the way till the end, because just avoiding these 5 mistakes could completely change your trading results. So let's jump right in. Let's start with mistake number 5, chasing get-rich schemes. You see flashy lifestyle on YouTube and think you can copy them, but most of these gurus gives only 1% of the information and hide the real trading process. So you have to stop following the hype. Focus on learning the skills that actually can make you profitable. Mistake number 4, no rules. You don't have any rules as a trading plan. So without a clear plan, even the best setup fails. Discipline is your biggest weapon. So limit your trades, wait for the right setup, and practice in demo before going live. Trade smart, not impulsive. Mistake number 3, no clear strategy. Jumping between methods creates confusion, so you have to pick one approach and master it and stick to it. Whether it be indicator trading or price action trading or candlestick psychology or smart money concept, choose one and master it first. In my case, I do candlestick psychology method and I also incorporate smart money concept. It depends. So I have mastered this two method, so you have to choose one. If you're not familiar with price action or you're not familiarized with candlestick psychology, you can go with indicator trading as well. Just keep practicing and you have to keep yourself engaged in that one strategy. So without a clear strategy, you'll keep losing your money. You have to pick one and master that first. Mistake number 2, emotional trading. Greed can make you hold on to winning trades for too long, hoping for more profits, while losses can trigger revenge trading, pushing you into impulsive, high risk trades to win it back. Both behaviors can destroy consistency and capital. So the key here is stay calm, follow your trading plan, and let discipline, not emotions, guide every decision. Emotional control is what separates successful traders from the rest. So if you are not being able to control your emotions while trading, I request all of you to stop trading at that very moment. And finally, mistake number 1, not taking trading seriously. Many traders treat the market like a casino, hoping for quick wins, but trading is a business. And like any other business, it demands strategy, preparation, and discipline. You need a clear plan, proper risk management, and the mindset to stick to your system even when emotions run high. Without treating it professionally, consistent profit will remain out of your reach. So I request all of you to respect the market, respect your process, and the result will follow. So guys, these are the top 5 trading mistakes you might be doing consciously or unconsciously, which is not making you profitable. While going through these top 5 trading mistakes, I also took back-to-back trades with proper logic, so you could see everything in action. Most of the trades here I have placed, I have shared, it's been covered in my previous videos, so make sure to check those out too. And okay, in this chart I have drawn my level here. So I'm going to take my one last trade. This is going to be a reversal trade. One last tip here. A green candle with longer low wick and no upper wick is a reversal trade candle. So after this, I'm going to take a put entry trade, and this is going to be a short winning trade. I have marked my levels as a red one, a supply zone, but the candle has not yet tapped onto our supply zone. But I assume the next candle is going to tap and then it'll go down, because the logic is very simple. The previous green candle, it doesn't have any upper wick but only low wick. It is a reversal candlestick. So I have shared this in my previous videos as well. So let's see how this trade goes. And also, if you have any questions or doubt, drop a comment below or message me directly on my Telegram. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join our Telegram community. The link is in the description box below. I'll be back soon with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and happy trading.